Alright, what's up guys? My name is Pete Millman and I've been trading since about February of 1999, and basically I believe in eliminating the risk in day trading, in trading stocks. I believe that there is a way, there's a system that you can follow where you can really minimize or completely eliminate almost all the risk involved in day trading, and it's something that takes a lot of discipline. It's something that takes a lot of patience, but it's something that, and it's never really perfect, but if you can manage to do this about 6 out of 10 times is all you need it to work to make money. But of course we look to make that a lot more than 6 out of 10 times. In any case, this is my setup. I have a pretty insane system here. I love this light speed. It's really quick, great executions, and it allows me to really wait for that setup, wait for what have my criteria. It allows me to see what everything I'm looking for, and when all the stars are aligned, when all the checks are there, I basically get in as big as I possibly can, and I let the charts really do the work for me. I really look to attack positions. Like, I really get as huge as possible when I see everything I want to see. I have my filter up here, so I find the stocks that are active. I find the stocks that are trading, and I wait for the setups that I know work. I look for 3, 4, 5 point levels, channels that allow me to really define a real level, a real seller, a real buyer. I got 6 other guys in my room here with me doing the exact same thing. We don't take overnight positions. We don't take overnight exposure. We don't believe in that. In the middle of the night, you don't know what's going to happen to foreign markets. You can come in and your stock is going to be down huge. That's not our game. Our game is to limit risk and almost eliminate it. So we come in, we find the stocks that are in play, we wait for a trend to develop in those stocks, and then when they show us, when they set up, we attack. And it's great to have a lot of guys doing the same thing here, because instead of my 2 eyes, I got 12 eyes doing the same thing now. And so it's a lot more potential. You got to be in an office. I love working here. Lightspeed's a great place. The job has a lot of high risk and it has a lot of high reward. So when things are slow, I can go out, play some golf. I can go out, hang out. I make my own hours. And the best thing about trading your own money is you don't have to split it with anybody. You can, I keep for every $100 I make, I keep $100. You know what I'm saying? I keep every dollar I make. Today was a very interesting day. Stocks were up tremendous. We had Google earnings, and over the course of the years, I've really tried to develop a way to trade earnings that is a systematic approach. Companies come out with great earnings, and then they tank. Sometimes they just fall apart. So our job is not to try to analyze the earnings. Our job is to read the tape. And reading the tape has changed over the past few decades. Now we have so much information. Everything is electronic. Everything is computerized. So, for instance, today, Google blew out earnings and it just started ripping. So, you got to wait for that to kind of settle down. So immediately the trend is defined that it's going up. Okay? You wait for a pull-in. It takes patience. You don't chase. Then you wait for a level to be defined. Today at 508, if I show you, if you zoom in at 508, there was a legitimate level right here on the 1 minute charts, 1 minute ticks, 1 minute candlesticks. You would have seen that 508 would have been a pretty nice level in after hours. It bounced off there about 4 times, so you knew it was resistance. The second it went through there, I got monkey long, just bought as many as I could, and it went up about $20. So I didn't make $20 on the whole thing, but I had a nice 5-figure day today. So that's the kind of stuff we do here at Lightspeed. That's the kind of stuff that I believe in. You wait for your levels, you're super selective, and then you just attack at the right time.